Hi, my name is Mynor Rompiche, and this is my oral exam from the class of Technical English 2 of the section 8. Today I'm gonna talk about the biomes, specifically biomes in Guatemala. But first, I need to tell you what does a biome is. A biome is a specific part of the world that shares a climate, a vegetation, and a wildlife related. In the world exist different kinds of biomes, eight to be exact. The jungle, the savannas, the tundra, the forest, the grasslands, steppes, and the deserts. And in Guatemala, we have eight kinds of biomes, but these are special, are more specific. Beginning with the humid tropical jungle that is in the northern and eastern Petén, and this is a flat relief with a crust landscape with a lush forest and a lot of a high diversity, and this is the most big jungle of the country, and this is a part of the country where don't live too much people. Then we have the tropical rain jungle. It is in Izabal and goes into the lower part of the mountains of Santa Cruz, Chama, and the Maya mountains to the Salina River. And here we have high levels of rainfall and humidity. It contains swamps, flooded forest, wetlands, lakes, estuaries, coastal marine Caribbean jungles, and pale savannas, also grasslands, and it is a very special kind of biome. Next, we have the mountain jungle that is in the Veracruz Mountains, the Sierra Chama, and it ends in the western Sierra de las Minas and lower part of the Chuquimatanes. This is a very special biome because its floriculture structure is very complex. Here we can find very particular plants like the orchideas, or here we can see the monja blanca, that is the national flower, and here are a lot of habitat for animals too. It's very Here we can find a very mix of forest with very many different trees, and the next is the mountain forest that is in the most of the highlands of the country, and is very representative of the Nordic vegetation because here grow many conifers like the pino, the cypress, and all those trees. It's a marked difference in temperature in a warm and cold season because of the ubication. And there, the next is the Troni steppe. It is found in Jutiapa and Jalapa zone through the Motagua River Valley, and here we can see that it's more dry biome. Here grow a lot of cactus, and there are xeropic species in the bush. We can see a lot of acacias and mimosas plants because here don't rain too much. And the next is the humid tropical jungle that is in part of the decline of the Pacific volcanic range. Is where the middle part of our country, I think you understand, and we have broadly the vegetation, and it's a rainfall zone. Here we can watch many different birds. It's a very special biome because of the birds. Also, we can watch, if you're lucky, you can watch a quetzal here. And the flora is very special too. It's between the Nearctic and Neotropical species. And next is the humid tropical savanna. that is in the plain of the Pacific, the more southern part, and it was a forest that replaced by agroecosystems, because people saw that it was a very flat land with a very good climate, so they get there and take off all the trees, turning the forest in savannas. And another characteristic of these lands is that many rivers run through that that zone, and that's because it is near to the sea, and that's what people came here to plant. And I think that's all. I hope to tell all I had to tell. And if you learn like I made my work good. So thanks for your attention, and I see you in the next oral test. Thank you.